2019 Toyota Highlander, how to replace your cabin air filter behind the glove box. Next, you're going to pop this damper off of there and push it up to the side. Then you're going to push the glove box up here towards the inside like this. Push it in, bring it down. You release the little lock right here. And you're going to bring it down, lean it down, and take it off. There we go. Next, take this cover down right here. Bring that down like that. Next, you're going to push this tab in, bring it out on both sides, push it in, and pull it back to you like that. See, it says arrow up. That's how you're going to remember to put the new filter back in. Just pull it out. Just pull it out like that. Arrow up, put them back in the same way. And put the cover back in. It says up. See, it has an up sign on there. So put it up like that. Press it in. Put the cover back on. Press it in. Next, we're going to put the glove box back in. Just line up the slat right here with here and here. Line that up. And raise it up. And just push it up until it snaps. Next, we're going to put the damper here back on like that. Close the glove box and you're done. Hey, thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Until my next video. You guys have a great day. Thank you.